If you are sending money through RIA and you want to make sure it arrives on time, there are a few simple steps you can follow. First, double check your recipient's details, full name, address, and contact number must match your ID and the destination country's requirements. Mistyped information is one of the top causes of delays. Next, choose the right delivery method from the start. In urgent cases, opt for cash pickup or mobile wallet, which are typically faster than bank deposits. Also, pay attention to the processing cutoff times displayed in the app or website. Submissions after those get processed the next business day, so send before the cutoff. Always verify your payment method. Bank transfers can take longer to clear, while debit or credit cards are processed instantly. Use a card if you're on a tight timeline. When paying, watch out for any warnings or error messages. If something seems off, fix it before confirming. Once your transfer is initiated, note the reference code and estimated delivery time, then track your transfers through the RIA app or website. Monitoring it helps you spot any issues early and notify support before delays escalate. If the funds aren't delivered as expected, contact RIA with your reference code. They can usually resolve things quickly. If you found this video helpful, well, like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who wants to avoid delays on their next RIA transfer.